Hey everyone, welcome back to Newest Rev. Today, I'm unboxing a legendary pair of sneakers that has returned to blow our minds once again, the Nike Air Foamposite 1 Galaxy 2025. And the best part? I got these fire kicks from getkick.com, which is currently running some awesome sales. Stick around because I'll also give you all the info you need to grab your own pair, links in the description. This right here is the Nike Air Foamposite 1 Galaxy, a modern revival of one of the most iconic releases in sneaker history. Originally dropping in 2012 as part of Nike's All-Star Galaxy Pack, this shoe became a cultural phenomenon. Now it's back with the same galactic energy, dressed in an obsidian and black Foamposite shell, with cosmic graphics that just pop. And yes, that signature glow-in-the-dark outsole is still here. What makes this sneaker special isn't just the look, it's also the performance. The Foamposite shell offers incredible durability, foot support, and impact protection. The anthracite accents bring a sleek finish, and the remove-before-flight pull tabs give it that unique NASA-inspired vibe. Whether you're a collector or someone who likes to turn heads, this pair does it all. The Nike Air Foamposite 1 Galaxy isn't just a sneaker, it's a legend reborn. First released in 2012, it turned streets, forums, and sneaker events into battlegrounds as collectors scrambled to get a pair. Fast forward to 2025, and Nike brings back the magic with a faithful reissue that blends history with futuristic design. This isn't just footwear, it's sneaker culture in physical form. What makes the Galaxy Foamposite truly shine is how it combines bold aesthetics with technical brilliance. That space-themed upper is more than eye-catching. It's built into a molded Foamposite shell that provides unmatched foot stability. With every step, you're wearing Nike's innovative basketball heritage wrapped in a galactic skin. A sneaker that's as functional on the court as it is fashionable on the street. Whether you're building a sneaker wall or just want to rock something unique, the Foamposite Galaxy is for you. From the iconic 1-cent logo to the glowing sole, this pair delivers on every level. Nostalgia, exclusivity, and bold design. It's more than hype, it's a moment in time you can wear. And for those who know, that Galaxy print instantly commands respect. If you're a sneakerhead, this isn't just another drop, it's a piece of history. It's a revival of what many consider one of the most important sneakers ever made. If you missed out back in 2012 or just want to experience that sneaker culture magic again, now's your chance. The Galaxy Foamposite is not just style, it's a statement. Let's talk about where I got these. getkick.com. This website is your personal gateway to the Chinese market. Whether you're looking for brand shoes, clothes, handbags, belts, sunglasses, hats, jewelry, or watches, this site has it all. What's unique is that the team personally places your order, checks every item, takes photos before shipping, and makes sure your package is carefully handled. It's like having a personal shopper right in China. The product range on getkick.com is seriously impressive. From high-end replicas to market-best quality, they focus on delivering top-tier craftsmanship. Everything I've seen so far, including these Foamposites, has exceeded expectations. They truly care about how the product looks, feels, and performs. It's not just about what you buy, it's about how it's made and delivered to you. The team behind getkick.com is another reason why I trust this site. They're hands-on, helpful, and always available to assist. Got a question or want to find a specific item that's not listed? Just send it over. They'll do their best to track it down. It's customer support that actually supports you. Now let's talk about the price. With getkick.com, you're not just getting top quality, you're getting it at the most reasonable prices in the game. They really focus on making sure you get the best deal without compromising on product quality. And right now, with ongoing sales, it's the perfect time to buy. Shipping was smooth and fast. Once I placed my order, the team prepped everything, packed it securely, and provided photos of the final package. That level of care is rare, and that's what makes them stand out. Customer service, responsive, friendly, and focused on making sure you're satisfied every step of the way. So if you're loving these Nike Air Foamposite 1 Galaxy 2025 as much as I do, head over to getkick.com and check out the deals right now. All the links, contact info, and social media accounts are in the video description below. Whether you're a sneakerhead or just someone looking for high-quality products with excellent service, you won't regret it.